23 are watching and only 9 likes. Very good. Hello. Today it is visible clearly or not? Krishnachandra Sahu, Alok Kumar Sahu, Vishwarupa, Avani, Sushil, Pritam, Pooja, Devashish, Devasrita, Chikku, Anvesh, Hariom, Girja Raut, Fida, Bairu, Ganjan, Arpita, Nirupama, Ipsita, Sashi, Saundarya, Anita, Anvesh, Nirupama, Jamuna, Ashok, Pooja, Avani, okay, Mona Lisa, Rasmita, Priyadarshini, Ipsita, Sandharani, Samyaranjan Sahu. Actually, see, today I will going to tell you some problems on trigonometry, that is on class 11th actually. And since the students are weak in class 11 trigonometry, they cannot do calculus in class 12th. So I think that I should do maximum problems in 3 to 4 classes, so that the students may be thorough how to use the formulas and how to solve the problems in trigonometry, so that they can feel comfortable in class 12th. Actually, the reason is that, and without trigonometry you cannot clear the competitive exams also. That means NDA, CDS, and Air Force exams, naval exams also, and the banking jobs and staff selection jobs also. In almost all exams you will face trigonometry questions. And basically very important thing is that in class 12th, if you will neglect trigonometry, so in class 12th nearly about 68 mark you will lose. So that is the very important. That's why I have told you some class 12th students also to attend the class, because maximum students they are weak in trigonometry. That is why they are facing problems in calculus, and they should know how to use the formulas. And main important thing is that Sohail Sahu, very good evening. Okay, let us start our main topic. So all of you, good evening. and I hope you should present up to last, because I will not waste your time, and 100% sure you will be gainer. And basically class 12 students should gain, who are very weak in trigonometry, and those students who are only doing the NCERT book, they are suffering, because in NCERT book there is nothing. Only 10 to 12 questions or 20 questions will be there, and which can be done in 15 to 20 minutes also. Clear? And that is why I'll try to do maximum number of questions from different books, and basically from R.D. Sharma, and try to answer me also. When I will ask you some questions or any formula or any value, so try to answer me. Okay, so let us start. And I have already given some, I have derived the formulas in my videos. In trigonometry, I have given 5 videos, and in those videos I have already proved the formulas. So I request all the students to watch out these videos. Okay, so today I will not derive the formulas. Simply I will write the formula, and I will do the applications. Okay, see here. The main formula is sin A plus B is equal to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. And similarly sin A minus B, sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Only the sign changes. The middle sign only changes. Here in place of plus I have written minus, so in place of plus I have written minus. And for cos A plus B, the formula is cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. In case of sin, if it is plus, so you should write plus. If it is minus, you should write minus. But in case of cos, it will be opposite. If it is plus, it will be negative, minus. Then if it is minus, then the middle one should be, the sign will be positive. So cos A into cos B plus sin A into sin B. So since I am going to tell or teach basically to class 11 students, so I'll go slowly. Okay, see here, first applications. I want to find out sin 15 degree. So sin 15 means either you can apply this formula or this formula. But see here, till now your known values are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. CBSE students and state board students, they know up to 180 degree. Clear? So tell me how to find out 15 degree. 45 minus 30, it is 15 degree. I can write sin 45 minus 30 degree, because 45 degree minus 30 degree is 15 degree. So now apply sin A minus B, the second formula. Sin A minus B, it is sin A. In place of A I have written 45 degree, in place of B I have written 30 degree. So simply put A and B here. Sin A means sin 45 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 45 degree into sin 30 degree. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. You should remember these values. Into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So here the denominator is 2 root 2, here the denominator is 2 root 2. So you can take the LCM 2 root 2. And then in the numerator 1 into root 3 is root 3. So minus 1 by 2 root 2. So this is your answer. That means sin 15 degree, see here, sin 15 degree it is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So this is your answer for sine 15 degree. Now how to find out cos 15 degree? Same process, cos 45 degree minus 30 degree. Please find out. Apply the last formula, cos m minus p. Very good. Ipsita has done it. And root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. See here, it is cos 45 into cos a into cos p, cos 30 degree plus sin 45 into sin 30 degree. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So here the denominator is 2 root 2, here the denominator is 2 root 2. So after taking the LCM 2 root 2, you will get root 3, because root 3 into 1 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. But very important thing I am going to tell you. I will tell you how to apply one formula to get the other formulas. That means while determining a plus b whole square, you are writing a plus b into a plus b and applying the distributive law, you are getting the answer. But don't do similar process in case of a minus b whole square. Don't write a minus b whole square as a minus b into a minus b. Apply the first formula to find the second one. That means, see here, a plus b whole square, already it is known to you. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. What is my m? Try to understand. A minus b whole square, you can find out, you can write like this, a plus minus b whole square. Now apply the formula a plus b. Here a is a and in place of b, I have written minus b. So apply this formula directly, you get the answer. Clear? So you should apply one formula to get the other values. So here cos 15 is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. See here, I am doing the problems from textbooks, but the steps and the process are different from the textbooks. Okay, see here, how to find out sine 75 degree. Don't write 45 plus 30. Don't write 45 degree plus 30 degree. Directly apply. See here, sine 75 can be written as 90 minus 15 degree. I can write like this. 75 is equal to 90 minus 15 degree. And sine 90 minus theta, already known to you, sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to cos theta. Clear? Already it is known to you from class 9th or 10th. Sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta, it is cos theta. That means cos 15 degree. And cos 15 is equal to how much? It is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Clear? So you should apply the process in order to apply this one. By the help of this one, you are getting this result. Similarly, cos 75 degree, you can write cos 90 degree minus 15 degree. So that you will get cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So sin 15 degree. And what is your sin 15 degree? Already root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So see here, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Only 5 values are known to you up to class 10th. And now these two and these two, you should remember this value so that you can apply directly. Okay, 15 degree cos 15 sin 15, and again Sin 75, cos 75. Now see, very interesting trick I am going to tell you. I have already derived in the last video that tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. And the formula in this trick is, remember, so that you can do directly in a magical way. Clear? See here, in tan A plus B, tan A plus B, tan A minus B, tan 2A, tan 3A, tan 4A, tan 5A, in each and every formula of tan, the first term in the denominator should be 1. The first term in the denominator should be 1. Clear? And see here, in case of tan A plus B or in case of tan A minus B, we are dealing with tan A plus B or tan A minus B. The first term in the denominator should be 1. Again I am repeating, the first term in the denominator should be 1, and if the denominator is negative, then the numerator will be positive. If this is positive, this will become negative. That means opposite sign. And the product of these two should be written here. Tan A plus tan B here tan A into tan B. The product of these two terms are present here. And if this is the case, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B, so the answer will be tan of A plus B. If it is plus, then you should write plus. If it is minus, it will be A minus B. Tan A plus B. See here, and I have told you, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. The first term is 1, if it is positive, it is negative, if it will be negative, it is positive. And the product of these two is present here. So what will be the answer? Tan of A minus B. Clear? So we should proceed from right to left, not from left to right. If we will proceed from left to right, it will be too complicated. And if we will move from right to left, it will take only one line. Or without pen and paper, you can say the answer. Clear? So let us see here. I am going to give an example. It is cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree. Now what is the value of this one? How to find out the value of this one? I have told you first term in the denominator should be 1. It is clearly visible or not? Hello? Can you see clearly? Anyone please give me answer? Okay, thank you. See here, in order to make this one 1, in order to make the first one 1, you should divide this term in each and every term. That means you should divide cos 9. So it will be cos 9 by cos 9, it will be 1 plus sin 9 by cos 9, it will be tan 9 degree divided by 1 minus, it will be tan 9 degree, because I am dividing cos 9. Cos 9 by cos 9 it is 1, sin 9 by cos 9 it is tan 9 degree, cos 9 by cos 9 it is 1, sin 9 by cos 9 it is tan 9 degree. And how to write in this form? It is plus, that's why in this form it is tan A, this term is 1, and here it is minus, so here it is plus, and in place of 1 I can write tan 45 degree, because tan 45 is 1, so I can write tan 45 degree plus tan 9 degree divided by 1 minus, and here in place of 1 I can write 1 into tan 9, because the product of these two is here, so in place of 1 I am writing tan 45 degree into tan 9 degree. There is no problem perhaps, but you should not write tan 45 degree in case of 1, because the denominator the first term in the denominator should be 1. So tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. You should write the format. You should remember the format and write it in that form. So the answer will be, I have told you, tan A plus B. That means tan 45 plus 9. Tan 45 plus 9. It will be tan of 54 degree. So how to write, if the question is in this form, cos sine, cos sine. Cos sine, cos sine, and you should write directly. How to write directly? For entrance, I am telling you. 45, it is plus 9 degree. 45 plus 9. If it will be minus, so 45 minus 9 degree. If this will be plus, so 45 plus 9 degree, it will be 54 degree. If this will be minus, then 45 minus 9 degree. Let us see another question. Cos 11 degree minus sin 11 degree divided by cos 11 degree plus sin 11 degree. Now tell me the answer. Quick. No one can say. Someone written sin 34 degree, someone written Savitri Vindra written cos 34 degree. How? How it is cos and sin? Please tell me. I have told you, you should write tan. So tan 45 minus 11. 45 minus 11 is 34. So it will be tan 34 degree. Not sin 34 or cos 34. Clear? Another question. If the question will be cos 8 degree plus sin 8 degree divided by cos 8 degree minus sin 8 degree. Now tell me, what is the answer? Quick. If Siddhar, tan 53, because 45 plus 8, it is 53. So tan 53 degree. The answer will be this one. Okay. Another question, see here. And for CBSE students, basically, I am going to tell you the table so that you can do right now. And for sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 135 degree, 150 degree and 180 degree. And up to 90 degree already known to you. 0, it is 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, it is root 3 by 2 and it is 1. And simply reverse it. That means from this side you should write this one. It is root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, then 1 by 2, then 0. Because in sine from 90 to 180 it is second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine is positive. That is why I have written positive. But in case of cos here, 1 root 3 by 2, there is 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. The process is same, but the sign will be negative. That means 1 by 2, it will be minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by root 2, minus root 3 by 2 and minus 1. So by dividing sin by cos, you will get tan, and if you will take the reciprocal of tan, you will get cot, and simply take the reciprocal of cos, you will get sec, and simply take the reciprocal of sin, you will get the value of cosec. Okay. So you can find out the other values similarly. Now write one question. Tan 69 degree, cos 69 plus sin 66 degree divided by cos 69 minus sin 66. Sorry. Tan 66 plus tan 69 divided by 1 minus tan 66 degree into tan 69 degree. Now who can tell me the answer? Quick. Vishwarupa, previous answer, it was tan 34 degree. How? Satyaranjan Patra is written that 1 and Krishna Chandra Sahu is written tan of 135 degree. You can write the value of 135 degree. It is a known value. 135 degree, it is a known value. See here. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the formula tan A plus B. So tan A plus B, 66 plus 69, 66 plus 69, I have told you. And it is tan 135. And tan 135 degrees minus 1. Clear? Another question. Tan A plus tan B divided by tan A minus tan B. And you should simplify this one. That means you should express in terms of sin and cos. The final answer should be in terms of sin and cos and nothing else. That means you should write the formula tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That means sin A by cos A plus sin B by cos B, sin A by cos A minus sin B by cos B. So simply take the LCM in the numerator and denominator. After taking LCM, see here, what is the LCM in the numerator? Cos A cos B. And what is the LCM in the denominator? Cos A cos B. So I am directly cancelling. I am not writing the LCM. Okay, so simply write the numerator part. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. And denominator I have cancelled out. Clear? So write the numerator in this part. Sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. So sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. This is the formula and this is the sin A plus B. And this is sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B, second one, sin A minus B. So answer is sin A plus B by sin A minus B. So this is the answer. Okay. Another question. Who can tell me? What is the answer? Very simple question I have given. Hello. Root 3 by 2. Very good. Thank you. Because see here, these type of questions, 3 to 4 questions are there in NCERT book. That is why I am telling that it will be useless to do the problems only from NCERT. NCERT book, it's simply to guide you. That means similar type of question you should face in the exam. It is not given in the board or CBSE board that every question will come from that book. Same type of questions, similar type of questions will come. See here, sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. Sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. It is the formula of sin A minus B. It is the formula of sin A minus B. Sin 78 degree minus 18 degree. So 78 minus 18, it is 60 degree. So sin 60 degree and sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this is your answer. Clear? And this is a 0 mark question. Don't think that it is a 6 mark question. Clear? Now, it is given that tan A is equal to 5 by 6 and tan B is equal to 1 by 11 and find A plus B. Find A plus B. You want to find out the value of A plus B. That means apply the formula of tan A plus B. What is the formula of tan A plus B? Tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Clear? So, put the values, tan A, tan B, put the value 5 by 6 and 1 by 11, then tell me the answer. Quick. In place of tan A, put 1 by 5 by 6, in place of tan B, put 1 by 11. Then simplify so that you will get the result. Sujata Raut has written that 61 by 59. How? That is the problem. That is why I am telling you from the very beginning that many students are weak in calculation. Why? What is the problem? You can do. Try yourself. Simply remember the into table, multiplication table up to 25 or 20. Simply remember up to 20 at least. And plus minus should be very thorough. Addition, subtraction should be very thorough. After all, you are all science students. Okay, you are not art students. You are science students. That means the art students, they may be weak in calculation, but after all, you are science students. So you should be very, very thorough in calculations. See here. Tan 5 by 6, tan A in place of tan A 5 by 6, in place of tan B it is 1 by 11, then 1 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 11. After calculation, it will be 1. And 1 is your tan 45 degree. So tan A plus B is equal to tan 45, so A plus B is equal to 45 degree. Either you can write 45 degree or you can write pi by 4 in radian form. It is pi by 4. Okay, another question, tell me, cos square 45 degree, already I have given the values, minus sin square 15 degree. No, I will tell you directly, how to use the formula directly. Okay, so, now tell me another case, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B divided by cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. I have given the formulas. So calculate without pen and paper, then tell me the answer. Someone has written tan 2a, another one is 2 tan a, and tan a, 1 tan a. Hello. Savitri has written that tan a into tan b. Okay, so let us try. Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. That means you are adding these two. If you will add these two will cancel out. Plus minus. So, in the numerator you will get 2 sin a into cos b. 2 sin a into cos b. Divided by cos a plus b plus cos a. That means you should add these two. So, the second part cancel out. Then 2 cos a into cos b. 2 cos a into cos b. Clear? So, 2 to cancel out. Sin a by cos a, tan a. Cos b by cos b cancel out. So, remain tan a. And someone is in the tan square a. Obvious, how you have got tan square a? Tell me. And Savitri is written tan a into tan b. Lipunsa tan 2a. Lipunsa, you are omitting the message. Okay? You are deleted. Then Amulya Kumar Sao, that means Susri, has written that 1, and Arun Kumar Behra 2 tan a, and Bidulata Sao also omitted his message, her message. Perhaps she has written that tan 2a. So it will be tan a. Very simple questions I am giving you. Still then you cannot answer. Okay. So another two formulas I am giving you. It will be sin a plus b into sin a minus b. It is equal to sin square a minus sin square b and cos square b minus cos square a. And these two formulas already I proved derived in my previous video. Sorry, cos a plus b into cos a minus b. It will be cos square a minus sin square b, or you may write cos square b minus sin square a, like this. Cos square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square a. Okay. So I am giving one question. Cos square 45 degree minus sin square 15 degree. Who can tell me the answer? And by using this formula, this one, cos square a minus sin square, cos square a minus sin square b, this formula. That means the answer will be this, or the formula will be like this. Tell me the answer. What is the result? Satyaranjan Batra, very good. Jagyan Sini, very good. Savitri is written that root 3 by 2 root 2. Huh? How root 3 by 2 root 2? And another one, Sandharani, root 3 by 2. Let us see. Cos square a minus sin square b, cos square a minus sin square b, cos a plus b, cos a plus b, cos 45 degree plus 15 degree, a plus b, it is 60 degree, into cos a minus b, 45 minus 15, it is 30 degree. And cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 into 2, it is 4. So how root 3 by 2 root and how root 3 by 2? All of you have written. Another question. See here, I am giving 4 formulas, and the application of these 4 formulas I will give you. The first one is sin C plus sin D. Already I have derived these formulas. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and sin C minus sin D will be 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, and cos C minus cos D, it will be 2 plus 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, and cos C minus cos D, it is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2. Sorry, if it will write C minus D by 2, I have written minus here, so it will be C minus D by 2. Or if it will write this one as positive, it will be D minus C by 2, it will become. So these are the 4 formulas. And now question is that, see here, on the left hand side, either plus sign or minus sign is there. That means you have added or subtracted. That means sum or difference is there on the left hand side. But on the right hand side, it is expressed in terms of product. Product of 2 terms. 2 is the different thing, but product of 2 functions, either sin or cos or sin cos. In the left hand side, the terms are expressed as sum or difference. This is sum, this is different, this is sum, this is different. But on the right hand side, you have expressed as product. So, one question. Sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. Sin 4 theta plus sin 2 theta. It is in the form of sin C plus sin D, and your question will be expressed in terms of express as the product of 2 functions, or simply express as the product. That means you should apply these formulas, sin C plus sin D. But I am going to tell you very interesting point. Always take the larger angle as C and the smaller angle as D. So here the larger angle is 4 and this is 2. 4 theta, this is 2 theta. So you should take this one as C and this one as D. So that one step will be reduced. At least one step will be reduced. Okay. Always take the larger angle as C and the smaller angle as D. Okay. So the first formula, it will be 2 sin C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2, C plus D, 4 theta plus 2 theta, 6 theta by 2, it will be 3 theta. You should write directly like this, into cos C minus D by 2, C minus D by 2, 4 theta minus 2 theta, it is 2 theta, 2 theta by 2, it is theta. So this is the answer. Clear? See another question. Sin 5a minus sin 3a divided by cos 5a plus cos 3a. So simply see here, sin C minus sin D, sin C minus sin D, here cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D. Apply these 2 formulas here in the numerator and denominator, then tell me the answer. Otherwise I will tell you. Krishna Chandra Sahu tan 2a. Sure. Jagat Singh tan a, Satyaranjan tan a, Vidulata tan a, Lipun Sahu tan a. Perhaps this will be tan a. Let us check. Sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D. Second one. 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D. 5a plus 3a. It is 8a. 8a by 2. It is 4a. Into sin C minus D by 2. C minus D. 5a minus 3a. It is 2a. 2a by 2. It is a. Cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D. It will be 2 cos C plus D by 2. C plus D by 2. 5a plus 3a. 8a. 8a by 2. It is 4a. Into cos C minus D by 2. C minus D. 5a minus 3a. It is 2a. 2a by 2. Like this. 5a plus 3a by 2. And again 5a minus 3a by 2. And 5a plus 3 it is 8a, 8a by 2 it is 4a, and 5a minus 3 it is 2a, 2a by 2 it will be a. So 2 cancel out, cos 4a cancel out, sin a by cos a, it is tan a. Now another question, give me the answer. Sin A plus sin B by cos A plus cos B. Tell me the answer. Okay, very good answer. Sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D. It will be 2 sin, first one, 2 sin C plus D by 2. That means C plus D by 2, A plus B by 2 into cos C minus D by 2, A minus B by 2. It will be A minus B by 2 whole divided by cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D, it will be 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. So here 2 cancel out, these 2 cancel out, and it will be sin A plus B by 2 by cos A plus B by 2. It will be tan A plus B by 2. So this is your answer. Okay. Slightly larger one we will take using these 4 formulas only. Sin A plus sin 3A plus sin 5a, because I am going to tell you the trick, cos A plus cos 3a plus cos 5a. So what to do if the question is like this? It may contain 2 terms in the numerator and denominator. Here it contains 3 terms in the numerator and 3 terms in the denominator, or it may contain 4 terms in the numerator and 4 terms in the denominator. So how to choose the terms, and which terms should be combined with which one? Here all the angles are odd, 1, 3, 5, all are odd. Here also all are odd. If all are odd or all are even, then combine the smaller angle with the larger angle and keep the middle one separate. Here it is smaller angle, here it is larger angle. So combine these 2 and separate this one. That means, and I have told you, always write the larger angle first. That means take it as C. So write sin 5a first. sin 5a plus sin a plus sin 3a. Similarly, the denominator cos 5a plus cos a plus cos 3a. Then apply the formula CD rule, then take common, and now tell me the answer. Replacement tan 3a. Okay, if say tan 3, all are saying that tan 3a. So it may be tan 3a. Okay. Sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d. It will be 2 sin c plus d by 2. 5a plus a. It is 6a. 6a by 2. It is 3a. Into cos. The formula is cos. 5a minus a by 2. 5a minus a. It is 4a. 4a by 2. It is 2a. Plus sin 3a as it is. Now cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2, 5a plus a, it is 6a by 2, it is 3a. Into cos 5a minus a, it is 4a, 4a by 2, it is 2a. Then plus cos 3a, keep it as it is. Then take common sin a from the numerator and cos sin 3a from the numerator and cos 3a from the denominator. Sin 3a from the numerator. After taking common 2 cos 2a plus 1 and take common cos 3a from the denominator. It will be 2 cos 2a plus 1. 2 cos 2a plus 1. So these two cancel out. Then remain tan 3a, because sin 3a by cos 3a, it is tan 3a. So this is the answer. Clear? So one more question I will tell you today, and after that simply I will take 5 minutes. So that I can take the next class at 6. Okay. So the next question is that sin 3a plus sin 5a plus sin 7a plus sin 9a, this one, divided by cos 3a plus cos 5a plus cos 7a plus cos 9a. So the trick is that all are odd numbers, and you should combine the smaller one with the larger one and the middle two together. Now apply. So I have told you to write in a systematic way. You are combining these two. That means write sin 9a first plus sin 3a, then plus sin 7a plus sin 5a, divided by, this will be same way, cos 9a plus cos 3a plus cos 7a plus cos 5a. Now apply CD rule here, here also CD rule, here also CD rule, here also CD rule. While writing, always see here. While eating, you are eating in a systematic way. Okay, and while doing anything, you are doing systematic way, but while studying, you are not doing in a systematic way. So try to do in a systematic way. I have told you, while writing, write the larger angle first and then smaller angle. Okay, so that one step or two steps will be reduced. Okay, what is the answer? Tell me. Very good. Satyaranjan Patra tan 6 hai. Okay. This answer will be tan 6 hai. Okay. So after 2 days, perhaps after 2 days I will take the next class. So basically I am requesting to class 12th also to attend the trigonometry class. Okay, so that it will be better for you. Okay, so thank you. And those who are in class 12th, so for 5 minutes I am giving you, because at 6 I will start in the second class. So thank you very much.